न गंदम बचे न फसलां बचन असां तो दरबदर थी चुका से
इतना जड़ फ्लड आई में समय साफ को पता लगे शामी रात 12 बजे असां तो बच्चों को घेन के टिब्बियां च लगे गए।
Pakistan was hit by the most devastating floods of the history during the course of monsoon 2010. In Punjab, a total of 12 districts were affected, but the district Muzaffargarh is one of the worst affected districts according to PDMA. The town of Muzaffargarh was founded in 1794 by the governor Nawab Muzaffar Khan on the bank of river Chenab. Kotaddu is the city and tehsil of district Muzaffargarh. In tehsil Kotaddu, the degree of damages and destruction was very high. Out of 28 UCs of Kotaddu, 21 union councils were completely destroyed. The area around the city is a fertile plain and ideal for agriculture. There are many canals that cross Kotaddu, providing water from nearby rivers. It's very hot in summer. Daira Deen Panah is one of the severely affected UCs of Tehsil Kotaddu according to district government. Agricultural crops like rice, sugarcane and mango orchards were fully destroyed in Daira Deen Panah. Cultivated lands were damaged and it became difficult for farmers to cultivate this land. Many schools and hospital buildings have been destroyed. Community physical infrastructures like roads, hand pumps, latrines, and agriculture infrastructure like tube wells, canals, and watercourses were destroyed. In Daira Deen Panah, most of the houses have been completely demolished. Agricultural and other livelihood tools were either damaged or swept away with the flood. Farmers Development Organization immediately started its relief operations in Muzaffargarh, which laid the foundation stone for recovery and restoration activities. It was revealed that UC Daira Deen Panah was concentrated with the most affected families. Almost all of the inhabitant families had lost their source of income, livelihood, and basic physical infrastructure and are in need of immediate resettlement. Therefore, FTO designed a project in consultation with local communities on rehabilitation of flood-affected communities and implemented it with the financial help of UNDP in 6 villages of Daira Deen Panah. First of all, a baseline survey was conducted for the identification of the most vulnerable families who would be provided assistance in rehabilitation through this project. FTO believes in community participation for achieving the best results. In 6 target villages of Daira Deen Panah, 14 community organizations were formed with an effective representation from the most vulnerable segments of society like poor of the poorest, widows, elderly people, and persons with disabilities. The objective of a CO are to form a democratic and inclusive group of local communities which has the ability to identify and prioritize the local problems and to mobilize their resources for their solution. The community organizations identified the provision of seeds and fertilizers to small farmers for wheat sowing season, livelihood support to the most vulnerable households, and the most basic infrastructure like watercourses, soiling, and hand pumps as rudimentary for community restoration. With the help of community groups, FTO's first intervention was to restore the livelihood of those families who were based on agriculture as the wheat sowing season was about to end and people were left with nothing to purchase seeds or fertilizer for the crop. In this situation, FTO with the support of local communities provided wheat seeds to 400 small farmers according to the farm size, which is totally 450 acres. Immediately after provision of seeds and fertilizers, FTO started working on community physical infrastructure which is essential for irrigation to small farms. CPR schemes are one of the tools for the empowerment and development of communities. FDO has successfully implemented 30 CPI schemes including solar, hand pumps, latrines and watercourses for the improvement of infrastructure that contributes a lot towards development of not only for agricultural products but also to improve the living conditions of the beneficiaries of Daira Deen Panah. In these CPI schemes, FDO engaged local community as laborers to help them earning a respectable living again and restart their lives while rebuilding their villages' infrastructure.
बैन फ्लड दे आने दौरान सारे को ना चंगा भला नुकसान है, बहुत सारे पानी कढ़ने निकासी दे बहुत सारे मसले मसाइल हैं। उन तो बाद FDO आई है, FDO दे नाल सारे मेंबर बने, काफ़ी बियाबरी बस्ती दे निगरान बने। उन तो बाद सारा काम शुरू किया गया। असा रोजी थे करेंदे पे काम सारे बाल बच्चे सारी मजदूरी चंगा भला सारा रोजगार ही बन गए। उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम दे पे काम सारा थी पे ड्रेने का इंशाल्लाह फिर तैयार करके वो उन्होंने आके तो ये करके तो इंशाल्लाह और भी बहुत सारा तामन करे सूँ।
This initiative brought hope for communities and provided a chance to look beyond the destruction and earn money at their home places for rebuilding their own infrastructure.
अच्छा नलका लाड़ी थे पहले तो खराब हैं 100 फुट से नलका लगी है पानी होना चाहिए पहले तो खराब भी है ना और सिलाब की वजह को फ्लड की वजह को हर से खत्म थी गई लोड बढ़ गई है कैसा कहानी रह गई बाकी पानी अच्छा है पीते खाते खड़े हैं
सैलाब है ना सारे मकान रहे ना लैट्रीना रहे और सारे वास्ते मसला बीबियां दा FDO आई है सारे वास्ते लैट्रीना बन गए और बीबियां परेशान नहीं थी लेकिन लैट्रीन इस्तेमाल थी अलहमदुलिल्लाह हूँ अस बिल्कुल खुशहाल थी रहे FDO सारे वास्ते बड़ा कुछ करेंगी पई और आइंदा वास्ते भी करेंगी वैसे इंशाल्लाह।
Farmer development organizations' experience working with women farmers and entrepreneurs shows time and again that women are essential to economic development. FDO worked on provision and installation of family nutrition kits. The small 17 by 12 kits help households to grow a vegetable patch using a high-efficiency irrigation system as a source of saving and fresh organic vegetables.
भाई सिलाब आई नहीं समझ दाने लौट गए सारा सामान खराब थी गई गंदा थी गई बच्चे ने खान पीन का कोई ना है मसला बन गया है ये तो बड़ा हूँ वाला FDO वाले घर वापस आ गए हैं सब्जी का प्लाट दीते ने ये सब्जी ये समझ गए ले भिंडियाँ पूरियाँ ये हूँ अस आराम नाल बाहरों कोई नहीं गिनते अपनी ये फट के इस्तेमाल करेंगे है अल्लाह की रहमत है फायदा थी गए FDO वाले फायदा देते सको उनकी मेहरबानी है।
Through participatory wealth ranking, community organizations identified the most vulnerable families for livelihood assistance who were further evaluated by FDO through poverty scorecard for vulnerability. 52 households thus identified were invited for a 3-day enterprise development training. The training was focused at developing an understanding of communities regarding basic principles of running a good business like marketing, bookkeeping, and linkages building. All the participants developed their business plan for the next year in which they identified the resources to start their business. A procurement committee consisting of representatives from community and FDO started procurement for the assets for these trainees, and the assets were transferred to their business locations. The businesses were properly launched through marketing tools, and now they all are running their businesses better than ever.
सैलाब ऐसे सामान जितने सारे औजार हैं जिन्हें नाल काम करें दे ऐसे वो सारे लौट गए दुकान लौट गई कारोबार सारे लौट गए वाला FDO वाले हैं इन्हें दी मदद नाल होने इंशाल्लाह काम करें दे पैसे अल्लाह दी मेहरबानी सामान के ना जितने ट्रेनिंग दी ने कारोबार अच्छा है अच्छी पोजीशन है कारोबार करें दे करने से।
लाभ को पहले बहुत सारा दुकान है पई घर दे विच बहुत सारा सामान है हर चीज है पई दुकान है पई सिलाब आया थे सारे हर शय खराब थी गए लुट दिए भनीज गए बहुत सारे सब परेशान हसे वालों को बाद FDO वाले आए नहीं था उन्हें तंजीम बनाइए सारे घर में आन के था मीटिंग की करें रह गए वाला मिंबर बनाए ने उन्हें आन के हम सारा वस्ती काम भी करन शुरू कर दिते ते उतना सब तराज हाँ ट्रेनिंग दी ने उहदे सब वाला मार्केट की हन गए उतना सारा कोई सब समझौता कराए ने भाई सामान घिनी दे चली दे दुकान इं करींदे हूँ माशाअल्लाह बहुत सारा सारे सही थी गए करेंगे स्टोर चलता पे घर बहुत सारा फायदा आ गए।
This project has not only enabled the flood-affected communities to live with dignity in their communities, but it also creates new opportunities for flood-affected communities by imparting new skills to young entrepreneurs and recruiting field staff from local community. Now these people are not waiting for any aid. They are heading towards improving their lives according to their dreams and aspirations.
मेहरबानी
FDO शुक्रिया।
FDO शुक्रिया।
FDO शुक्रिया।